Hey there again. We're going to do another tutorial about using the Desmos geometry tool here. So you come to desmos.com and we'll go down to the geometry tool. Okay, I'm going to turn the grid on. So we go to this button here, the wrench, and you click on show grid. Okay, we're going to put some couple of lines on here to represent the axes. Here's your y-axis. Okay, and then here's your x-axis. Okay, now I'm going to put some points on here to represent my polygon. So this is what I want it to be, some random points. This is a four-sided quadrilateral. And I'm going to connect them with a segment. So I click on the segment tool. Okay, and then I'm going to connect each of these dots with a segment to make it into a polygon. Okay, click back off here. Now I'm going to put some labels. So I'm going to label this one A. It does it automatically. I'm going to label this one, hopefully label this one. Where is it? There it is. Label this one B. Okay, we'll label this point C, and we'll label this point right here D. Okay, so now that I have that, we're going to do a reflection. Okay, that's the transformation that we're going to do right now. We're going to do a reflection across the line x equals 3. Okay, a reflection across x equals 3. So what we're going to do here first is you're going to put in that line x equals 3. So x equals 3 is a vertical line that is 3 units away from the origin. Now I'm going to change this color. So I click on the select tool and I'm going to try and highlight my line here. Come here, line. There, I'm going to make this line orange to make sure that this is my line of reflection. Okay, different from my axes over here. Okay, so if I'm reflecting across x equals 3, that's a horizontal reflection. So each of these points is going to end up equidistant from your line on the opposite side. So point A is now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 units. So it's going to end up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 units over here. So there's A. B is 1 unit away. That's pretty easy. D is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 units away. So it will end up 7 units away. And C is going to be 4 units away over there. So now we just have to relabel these. This one is going to be A prime. So I reselect E, make it A prime, okay, using the quotation mark. This point is labeled. Okay, and we can adjust the label. B prime. This point down here, we're going to label it also. C prime, just using the quotation marks for the prime, the single quotation. And this point here is D prime. I'm going to connect each of these dots, once again, each of these points with a line segment. Okay, to represent the polygon. And now I'm going to actually make it a polygon. So doing this will fill in this square or this quadrilateral so that it is, we know that this is the image because the image is always shaded. Okay, and it will shade it that color. If you want to change the color, okay, just double click in here. Okay, and you can change it to any one of these colors. So maybe if you want it to be purple, then we can make the inside of it purple. Okay, so this A prime, B prime, C prime, D prime is the reflection of this original ABCD across the line x equals 3.